Well, this is the blizzard of 2010. This is my neighbor's backyard. You can kind of see most of the time I've been at Cheryl's house. See how it's hard to tell how deep it is, but that's my knee, and it's hard to tell, but that's crazy. So beautiful, beautiful evening. Just amazing.